Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. As we are very close to Eid now, here I am with a gorgeous Eid look for you guys. Last time I created a soft glam look which is loved by so many people, so I just thought to create a gorgeous look this time. In case you have missed the last one out, I'm linking that on the screen so that you can go and check it out as well. And if you enjoy watching my videos, please be kind enough to hit the like and the subscribe button. That will help me to do better and better. And if you ever recreate any of my looks, please don't forget to tag Sugar Hugs on Instagram and Facebook. I would put all my social media links down in the description box for you. So let's get started. Okay, to start off, I'm using this L'Oreal Base Magique as a primer to blur out all the uneven textures and some larger pores here and there. For my foundation today, I'm using this one from Black Radiance in the shade Butterscotch. It's a lightweight sheer to buildable coverage foundation, and it doesn't give a high coverage if you have pigmentations. The shade of this foundation was a perfect match when I bought it, but my complexion has changed over the time probably, so now it's looking a bit orangish compared to my skin tone. So I just thought to manage it with a highlighting concealer. For my brows, I'm using this NYX Stem and Frame brow pomade in the shade Black, and after filling it with tiny strokes using an angular brush, I'll just comb it with a spoolie to break down the lumps and to spread the color evenly. The next, I'm using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige to clean the edges of my brows with this flat shader brush, and here I am covering my other pigmentations as well with the same concealer, and I'm just blending it out with the same beauty sponge. And now I'm just using L'Oreal Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Buff Beige to cancel out the darkness of my lids and to highlight my under eyes and the highest planes of my face. And as you can see, I'm using the same beauty sponge here as well. To set the concealed areas, I'm just gonna buff some powder over it, and for that I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me Compact in the shade Light Beige so that the concealer doesn't settle on my fine lines and crease. For my eyes, I will start off with this Twilight palette from You Can Be, and this pale pink shade will be my transition shade for this look. I will blend it across the crease area to intensify it using this fluffy blending brush. I will put all the details about it in the description box, so please do not worry. And the next, I'll just load this darker pink in the same brush from Morphe to deepen the crease area. And now from this tiny palette of MAC, I'm just gonna take this maroon and I'll just tone down the bright pink on the crease and we'll deepen it at the same time. And here I'm just cutting out the crease on the socket area of my eyelid using the Age Rewind Concealer on this flat shader brush once again. And then I'll just use this beautiful ivory kind of shimmer from Kiko Milano, and I'll just cover the concealed area of my lids using my finger, and I'll just mention the shade somewhere on the screen and also in the description box, so again do not worry. And then once again I'll just load this maroon shade on this pencil brush and will blend out as well as deepen the edges of the concealed parts to make it more prominent. And now I'm just taking this black in this Morphe thinner blending brush once again and we'll blend out the crease area and the edges finally. And now as you can see, I'm just giving it an overall blend so that there are no harsh lines left and everything looks flawless. And now I'll just use this golden glitter from Primark just on the middle of my socket area of the lid, And now for my lower lash line, I'm just gonna use these two shades together and we'll blend it out from the inner to the outer corner. And now I'll just take a little bit of this black on this Morphe pencil brush and we'll intensify the outer corner. To cover both the upper and the lower waterlines, I'm gonna use this kajal from NYX today. For my contouring today, I'll be using this foundation from Black Radiance in the shade Espresso to add some definition to the face, and I'll be blending it out again with the same beauty sponge until everything melts down into the skin and looks seamless. And I'm using this bronzer from Laura Geller in the shade Medium to add some warmth to my face. For my blush, I'm using this one from Primark in the shade called In the Pink. This product is super pigmented, so you just need to be a little more careful with it. For highlighting, I'm going to use Precious Petals from Wet n Wild, one of my favorite drugstore highlighter. It has a velvety texture, not too powdery, and also provides a very natural glow. And here I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my inner corners and the brow bones. For my lips, I have used the shade Copenhagen from the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream range. And lastly, I have used this Wet n Wild Fini Matte Setting Spray to lock everything in. So here comes the look, guys. Eid Mubarak to you all. I know this Eid is a bit different from other years. Stay home, spend some good time with your family and stay safe. Hope to see you again in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.